All right, so we are going to be making kind of a play on an old fashioned, but with some chocolate. And so we've kind of laid out the ingredients for you here. And so this drink is going to take about an ounce and a half of bourbon, with your choice of bourbon, 3/4 of an ounce of a sweet vermouth, 3/4 of an ounce of a tiramisu or a chocolate liqueur, chocolate coffee liqueur, and a couple of dashes of chocolate bitters. Started, shall we? All right, making this play on a chocolate old fashioned. All right, a couple dashes of the bitters, ounce and a half of the bourbon, 3/4 of an ounce of the vermouth, 3/4 of an ounce of the tiramisu or chocolate coffee liqueur. Give it a stir. And there you have your chocolate old fashioned.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It is very chocolatey, kind of sweet. I like the tiramisu in there. It gives
Yep.
it a nice little, almost like a
Okay.
hazelnut.
Yeah. I think it just makes it all just more chocolate forward. Just it with the bitters, chocolate bitters, and this. Obviously, this adds some sweetness, but I agreed.
Yeah, it's a great cocktail to smoke with a infused cigar
Yes,
or
sir.
for a dessert.
Yes.
So yeah, that's definitely a keeper.